אין לי מושג. לא עשיתי כלום.
מה עשית? ירדת לכביש? סליחה! סליחה!
קחו לה את הטלפון.
לא!
רעות, לא להתנגד.
סליחה!
קחו לה את הטלפון.
סליחה, על מה?
קדימה, תעלו אותה.
לא, יש לי ילדים, לא! תגידו לי, אתם בסדר?
להוציא את הילדים מהגן, חשוב.
תראו שיש
על מה?
נעילה.
אתה לוקח לי את הטלפון,
לוחם יושב לידה 2 קדימה. צד שני מי? לא, הכל טוב.
I'm here as part of the Tzav Tesha movement, and we're here to block the aid that's going in directly to Hamas in Gaza. The only thing that was working initially, and the first deal back in November of 2023, was when we weren't feeding our enemy. Never in the history of mankind was anybody ever asked or provided or needed under any law, international law, under any morality law, to bring food and even weaponry to their enemy while hostages are being held in the Hamas dungeons. And that's what I'm here to try to stop.
Recordemos que en los últimos 3 meses Israel no ha permitido ni que entre alimentos ni medicinas y este grupo, como podéis ver, colonos radicales que están ocurriendo han venido hasta aquí para protestar y la franja de Gaza que está muriendo de hambre.
España antisemי!
אלוהים אוהב את כולם!
אלוהים אוהב את כולם, בסדר!
כן, פתאום של כולם, ממוש!
שמנו לב! שמנו לב! על רוצחים שפלים ב7 באוקטובר! על מי אתם מגינים? על מי?
We came here this morning because we got reports that the extreme right wing are going to block the humanitarian aid trucks. We know they tried to do it. I think there's a truck now passing. We know they tried to do it last year. We came with the Standing Together Humanitarian Guard to stop it. The police was with us and helped us stop it. And we're here to make sure it doesn't happen again. The situation in Gaza is horrendous, and our hostages don't have food. They're under threat from Hamas, from bombing of our government, and we want to make sure that aid is going in. We want to make sure that things get better slowly in Gaza and that we end this war.